Hey, it's Dean Odell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the Odell Group. It's December 12th and it's time for Tustin Talks. Well, my gosh, it's only 13 days before Christmas and almost 2020. So we're going to talk about what's going on in the market. And if I look a little bit on the casual side today with this sweater, and you're probably going, geez, that doesn't look real professional. Why is he so casual? He shouldn't be so lazy. Well, that's exactly a point I'm going to make at the end of this video to you buyers. So buyers, sellers, I got your advice at the end of this video, but let's first get started with the Orange County market. Okay, first we're going to begin with the Orange County active listing inventory year over year. So let's look at where we are now versus where we were last year. Last year we had 6,820 homes on the market. We have dropped down to 4,935 homes. That is a drop of 38% inventory for this time of year. And it's setting up a year of not having enough inventory for the demand. Let's go to the next report. Our pendings, meaning homes in escrow, were up 24%. Last year at this time we only had 1,654 homes in escrow in Orange County. Now we have 2,170. So you've got inventory down by 38%, yet you have escrows up by 24%. Well, let's go to the closed sales year over year and see how that looks. So looking at where we are now, we have 2,582 homes that closed escrow. And last year at this time, we had 2,334 homes that closed escrow. So we are up 11%. Looking at the expected marketing time and wondering how hot is this market? Well, last year it was taking 124 days to get the average home sold, whereas now it's taking 68 days, almost half. So the market has definitely heated up, although we know it will be pretty calm and cool from here to the first of the year, because traditionally that's how it goes. We have to take that expected marketing time and break it down by price range, and what you'll see when we do that is that everything under $1 million is dark green, which indicates that that is a seller's market. And if you look at the share of inventory housing demand on that, there is only 54% of the inventory exists in that price range, whereas 78% of the demand is in that price range, which tells you why it's a hot price range. Looking at the 1 million to 1.25 range, you can see that that is still a slight seller's market. Moving on to the 1.25 to the 1.5 range, the white indicates that that is a balanced market where neither buyer or seller have any advantage. You can see that there has been improvement in the 1.5 to $2 million range, which was dark red before, indicating a buyer's market. Now it is just a slight buyer's market. And you can see the $2 million over range throughout Orange County. It gets a little bit more difficult where you have 22% of the inventory in that price range, but only 5% of the demand. And that is why that is a buyer's market. Okay, so this is what we see from these reports. We see that it is going to be a tight market. Everything I have researched, looked into. Today I go to the Chapman forecast. I'll let you know how that is next week. But everybody is saying the same thing. It's going to be tight on inventory next year, and we are going to have a housing shortage in Orange County again. So as much as you don't want to hear that, buyers, I'm just telling you. So that's why I'm wearing the sweater. Back to the sweater. Don't get lazy, buyers. This is the time. I know everybody wants to enjoy their holidays, but if you're really serious about buying a house, I'm going to give you the same advice I give my agents on our team. This is the time of year where you need to work hard to set up the first quarter. There's less competition out there right now than you're ever going to have. Traditionally, more people will list their homes in March, April, and May than any other 3 months of the year. But guess what? There's going to be more buyers out during that time than any other time of the year. So pay attention to the market, or better yet, just call the Odell Group and have one of our agents or me help you. All right? That's easy because we're not getting lazy. We're working in this market. We always have a very good first quarter because we continue to find our buyers' houses this time of year. So let us help you. Sellers, I know it's going to be really hard to convince you to list your house this time of year. My gosh, it's December. It's a few weeks before Christmas. So, okay, I'm not going to push too hard on that. But I will tell you that depending on what price range you're in and what type of home you have, it's very important when you hit the market, okay? So I'll give you an example of a home we just listed this week, and it's over $3 million. And my seller was very concerned that, hey, this time of year, is there buyers out there? I mean, what's going on, right? You know? And I said, what you have to understand is this time of year, people who buy those type of homes, they have the time to go look often. They're your independent business owners. They're corporate executives that have big bonuses. And this is kind of where they start to see how their year ended and how their next year is going to begin. And they feel comfortable spending money towards the end of the year and into the first quarter. Believe it or not, statistically, there are less of these type of caliber homes, the luxury homes, that sell in the spring and summertime than do in the fourth quarter and the first quarter. All right, so what do you think happened to that new listing that we've had 1 week? Well, first of all, we properly prepped that house for months and months for the market. Took so long we thought we were gonna miss the market, but it was perfect timing, right? This time of year, the views are clear, there's no smog. We have 3 offers on that house. That house has only been on the market a week. The seller is so happy with us, so happy that he listed his house and he did not wait. So for some of you sellers that might not think this is the right time to sell, it absolutely is the right time to sell if you have the right type of house. So let us help you with that. We'll get it all ready for you and we'll make it easy and we'll get you top dollar. Let me pull that phone number in for you. Hold on. All right, there it is. Give us a call, let us help you, and we'll see you on the next Tustin Talks. Hey guys, who are you getting your real estate advice from? Do you know there's 23,000 agents in Orange County and 87% of them are going to be out of the business within 5 years? The Odell Group's been around for nearly 40 years. We are ranked number 9 in transactions closed, and we can give you the right advice to help you make good decisions. So please click on our subscribe button here and start watching the videos and let us know if there's anything we do to help you.